Everything you need is already inside you. It's not about you're not trying, you just don't know the rules of this system. You already have the system. The system was always there, but you just couldn't recognize it. Let me bring you to my life before watching Solo Leveling anime. When I have literally zero aura. That was sucks. Seriously, I was in bad shape, I was weak, and my relationship was falling apart. I wasn't confident enough even to talk, and nothing was okay. I was through lots of mental pressure. And one day, all of these things changed. By just watching an anime? Yeah, that's true. By just watching Solo Leveling, lots of things change in my life. You know, it was like a game I was losing every day by small decision that I made. But suddenly, at once, something changed. I start to winning by doing little things. I mean, maybe few push-ups, maybe just going to the gym. After a few weeks, I see something different in mirror. You know, people think aura is just something imaginable, it's fancy. But I can see my aura through the mirror. The only person who was able to see the difference was me. Because the radiation of my aura was too much low. But then after just few months, the first things happened, my body changed. Even the way I talked has been changed. And after that, lots of people, their behavior changed to me. They start asking, how did you do that? It was so obvious. I had some progress in my whole life. I passed my depression, I passed my heartbreak with just increasing my aura. Here's the key point of this path I want to share with you. After only 1 year, you have changed a lot more than you think. You see yourself like better than more than 80 or 70% of people. And from that moment till the rest, you feel like you are a superhero. You are better than all the people, and that feel, it's amazing feeling. You can do more things, you have more inspiration, more motivation. But the first few weeks just sucks. But what are the main rules of this system? I separate these rules for you to just be more understandable. The first rules are rules of Titan. These rules are more physically. And the second class of rules are Shadow. It's all about your intelligence. And the third one and last one is Pulse. It's exactly that radiation I'm talking with you. You know, it's in all cultures around the world. Some people call it, I don't know, Shi, and some people just call it a power of God. I don't care, okay? Here we just call it aura. Let me break these three things for you, step by step. Rules of Titan. Why is the rules of Titan are the first rules? Because they are easier things to achieve. You know, you can't change your IQ in just like 1 week or 1 month. It's impossible. You can't change your mood or depression or all these things by just sitting down and thinking about them. But by going to the gym and doing some push-up, you know, you can change your mood, the way of thinking, and get some discipline, and then you can go for the shadow. But what are the main rules of Titan? There are only 3 rules here. It's so simple, but it's not that much easy. It's just simple. You have to, first of all, eat healthy. Second, you have to have consistency. And third, you have to be patient. These are all 3 rules. It's easy to eat healthy, it's not even hard. And the reason you have to have consistency, because nothing's gonna happen to you after 1 week. Nothing's. I said maybe after a few weeks you see yourself in the mirror and you see something. It's not that much fancy. After a few months, people in gym or I don't know, when you are swimming in pool, look at you different and say, wow, incredible body. Oh, you have all this compliment. But you have to be patient and you have to be consistent during this journey to level up your aura. Let me say, if you make your body with just consistency, eating healthy and being patient, you get something like 40 or more aura. You know, from 1 to 40, it's a lot change, and it's not enough for you to just have beautiful body. I know, I feel great now, I'm leaner, I'm literally more powerful than past, And I feel great when I post my pictures and all this stuff and all those compliments. They are great. But you need to increase your shadow level. And now I want to talk about shadow rules. It's a little bit more complicated than Titan rules, because Titan rules just was too clear, everyone can do that. But for doing shadow rules, you have to, first of all, delete all distractions. You know, just try 1 hour to sit with yourself and think about something. Don't use your telephone or anything, just for 1 hour. I know no one maybe on this planet these days haven't done it yet. I mean, just sitting down for 1 hour and doing nothing. No one is able to do these things nowadays. So, delete distractions and learn to think with focus for a long time. And I want now tell you the third rule before the second rule. Because I think it's very important to know these things. You do have to know the structure of learning before you start to learning and being patient about something. Let me tell you a story. When I was a child, I started to learn languages, which was very hard to me and I don't like it, so I never actually did it. I failed my courses and I was super stupid student because I just don't love it. And I thought I'm stupid in it. But then I found music, as you can see, and it feels great. So I did lots of hard work, I achieved lots of things in music, and then I understand, no matter what you learn, all the things in the world are somehow connected to each other. I don't know even how. Listen to this carefully. After practicing a few years music, I started learning language. When I was practicing music, I improved my memory. Memory is everything when you want to start practicing instrument or learning new language. So it was too much relatable, and you can understand the relation between these things and why I improved in speaking in foreign languages. But when you look deeper, you can find even more relationships between anything, like practicing music or, I don't know, anything. I mean anything, drawing, reading fancy books, dancing. Even when I practiced music, I got more discipline for going to the gym, They are exactly connected with something that you can't see with just not looking deep. You have to look deeper in things. Then you can, by improving bonus skills, improve all your potential in your memory. And second rules, find something that you're passionate about. For me, it was practicing music for 8 and 7 hours per day. It was nothing, but learning languages for 7 or 8 hours per day, it was too much hard for me, because I wasn't just a man of reading on that time, but by improving my skills in one thing, I achieved that thing too. I was a person that couldn't read and write for more than 1 hour. I was bored. Maximum 1 hour I could learn something or studying. But now I read for hours. When I want to get ready for exam, I literally can study for more than 8 hours. It's impossible for lots of people around the world because they don't know anything about Oira, but you know now, Before we're going and speaking about pulse, the last things that you actually want to know, please like this video. And pulse. Pulse is something that comes naturally, that confidence comes naturally after achieving some level in Titan and some level in Shadow. It comes naturally in you, but sometimes you have to practice few things for that. I don't talk about specific rules here, because you have to find your confidence in your own way. Like all people are like that. When they want to start something, they haven't enough confidence. You always can see few peoples like McGregor or Cristiano Ronaldo. They have that confidence before they achieve anything in their life. When they ask them what you want to do in a few years, they say, I will win championship of this world. I am the best player in entire world. They have this confidence before even have anything. Like when they have zero Oira, they have this confidence. And I agree with you. If you have some level in Shadow and Titan, you will achieve pulse by yourself. It's happened automatically to you. But the way you're looking to yourself is very important. The way you talk with yourself, with your inner voice, the voice is always talking to you non-stop. It's very important. The way you talk with yourself. When you start talking with yourself with respect, the world behave different with you. One of the things that happened to me early when I earned that confidence, it was my friends start to telling me, Puya, you're too much selfish. I'm not agree with them, I'm not selfish. I always talk good with people, I always respect them, I'm always kind person, but I'm ambitious, like you. And you probably can understand my feeling, but it's very important. When you got 100 euro, be kind with people. When you see a person has 0 euro, it doesn't mean you're, oh, I'm better than you, I beat you, Don't, be kind. You know, I too much agree with Andrew Tate when he says people who have been through more pain are kinder. I'm 100% agree with this quote, no depth in it. So be kind. No matter what happened to you, just be kind with people. Don't let people use you. If you're too kind person and you have not enough confidence, people will automatically use you. But when you got 100 euro, no one can use you. The only person that can use other person is you. So try to be kind and make the world just better place. Don't join another empire and slavery. And don't be the next dictator. If you have watched till here, that means something in this video has spoke to you. And I'm truly glad. So, if you want to talk more with me, you can watch this video. Or if you don't have time, you can subscribe this channel and talk with me later. Don't forget to drop comments and see you in another time.